Namaste and welcome on board the Isness. But today I'm not on the Isness. I'm on my friend's boat, Jazz, who lives here on this lovely boat. Why we're here today is because there's something special going on. I call it a miracle. It's something beautiful that's happened. When Jazz moved onto this boat here at this lovely mooring, she wanted to, this was all plain decking area, and she wanted to add some colour. So she went and bought some plants, and one particular plant is this one here with all these lovely flowers on. At the moment they're closed up, but when that sun comes out and the warmth, they bloom, they open up, and they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. In the gardening world, when the flowers die off, you cut them off to stop them seeding, so they produce more flowers. But there's something special about this plant, really special. Jazz went and chopped all the flowers that she thought was dead, cut them off, but they were so beautiful still. They're like paper, they've got this texture like paper, but she decided to spread them out and make a little pattern, like a mandala really, of flowers on the decking here. And what we witnessed was amazing. So Jazz had laid all the flowers out, similar to this. These have slightly changed their positions at the moment. So she'd put them down, and they were all there under the sun, and the flowers were still colourful. And the next day, the cloud came in, the rain, and then they had the petals reaching out and joining up, connecting, which was absolutely beautiful. I didn't have the big camera with me when they were actually connecting, but I did manage to film it on my mobile phone. The process of the flower opening is called the turgo pressure, or hydrostatic pressure, if you want to get into the science of it all. So what happens is there's water at the bottom of the flower petals, and pressure on the cells from the sunlight causes this pressure for them to open up. So that's the science of it, but it's not the science side of it that I'm really enjoying. It's the fact that the cloud came, the sun went in, and the flowers on the ground that Jazz had put down started reaching out with petals. All the rest of the petals closed in, but other petals were reaching out, keeping them all in contact. That was just amazing. I mean, how is that happening? That was absolutely beautiful to see. For me and for Jazz, it's a miracle. So science, maybe, but like I say, for me and for Jazz, it's a miracle. Thank you for joining me on my vlog. We'll see you again soon back on board the Isness. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and click the like button. We'll see you again soon. Thank you.